Okay, this is the Chapter 31 World War II test. Number 1. All of the following were members of the Axis powers during World War II except A. Germany, B. Soviet Union, C. Italy, D. Japan. Number 2. All of the following were members of the Allied powers during World War II except A. United States, B. Great Britain, C. Switzerland, or D. Soviet Union. Three, Great Britain and France declared war on Germany when Germany invaded A. Poland, B. Czechoslovakia, C. Austria, D. Soviet Union. Number 4. Groups chosen for extermination by the Nazis on racial grounds included all of the following except A. Jews, B. Slavs, C. Gypsies, D. Austrians. Number 5. Japan attacked the Chinese province of blank, hoping to occupy the natural resource-rich region. A. Philippines, B. Okinawa, C. Midway Islands, D. Manchuria. Number 6. Joseph Stalin and Adolf Hitler signed a treaty known as the A. Munich Pact, B. Nazi-Soviet Non-Aggression Pact, C. Anti-Communism Pact, D. Neutrality Acts. Number 7. The people of Germany turned to Adolf Hitler as a leader over fears of A. Communism, B. Fascism, C. Democracy, D. Natural disasters. Number 8. After Germany's quick defeat of France, they turned their attention to defeating A. the Rhineland, B. Soviet Union, C. Czechoslovakia, D. Great Britain. Number 9. Italy's first aggressive move during the pre-World War II years occurred during its invasion of the African country of A. Somalia, B. Egypt, C. Ethiopia, D. Tunisia. During the early years of World War II, most United States citizens favored isolationism, or A. helping the Allies, B. staying out of conflict, C. aiding Japan, or D. rearming. Number 11. Which event ultimately led to the U.S. declaring war on the Axis powers? A. Soviet Union seizing the Baltic states of Latvia, Lithuania, and Estonia. B. Italy's attack on Albania. C. Germany's invasion of Western Poland. D. Japan's attack on the naval base at Pearl Harbor, Hawaii. Number 12. The Allied invasion of German-occupied France on June 6, 1944 is known as Operation Overlord, or A. the Day of Liberation, B. Normandy, C. D-Day, D. VE Day. Number 13. The largest battle in the history of the world took place between the Soviet Union and the Axis powers along the 1,800-mile-long A. Western Front, B. Eastern Front, C. Asian Campaign, or D. African Campaign. '14. The policy of Great Britain and France appeasing Hitler came to be formed at A. Yalta, B. Pearl Harbor, C. Nagasaki, or D. the Munich Conference. '15. The German military strategy known as Blitzkrieg. A. meant lightning war and was highly mechanized and fast-moving. B. was used to invade Great Britain. C. involved the use of horse-drawn artillery and soldiers with muzzle-loaded weapons. Or D. was used in the occupation of Holland. '16. The two places that the Allies met to decide on the post-war world were A. Yalta and Potsdam, B. Berlin and Moscow, C. New York and Paris, or D. Rome and London. '17. What natural resource was Germany interested in taking with its invasion of both Northern Africa and the Soviet Union? A. Oil, B. Lumber, C. Sand, D. Fresh water. Number 18. The leader of fascist Italy during World War II. A. Hideki Tojo, B. Benito Mussolini, C. J.P. Presevento, or D. Vittorio Orlando. '19. The purpose of nighttime blackouts in cities like London were A. to lessen the chance of German bombers seeing the lights of major cities and using those clusters of lights as a guide to nighttime bombing. B. to save electricity. C. to give the citizens a good nighttime sleep. Or D. to save coal and oil to use for the war effort. Number 20. Large rallies were held in the city of Nuremberg, Germany, to show the power of A. Republican democracy in Germany, B. freedom of speech in Germany, C. Italian military power, or D. the Nazi Party and Adolf Hitler. '21. Auschwitz was the name of a blank in Poland. Was it A. an industrial production center, B. death/concentration camp, C. island resort, or D. prison for Nazi war criminals? '22. The Battle of the Bulge was the last major A. German victory on the Eastern Front, B. battle that was fought in the Bulgarian mountains, C. disease prevention program the Axis powers instituted in 1939, or D. German offensive attack on the Western Front. '23. The U.S. strategy in the Pacific theater focused on the idea of cutting the vine so the grapes will wither and die. This strategy of taking only key occupied islands is known as A. deceptive invasion, B. ventnoring, C. island hopping, D. Operation Gold Coast. '24. The region of Czechoslovakia, which included a large population of German people that Germany first invaded in 1938, is known as A. Prussia, B. Bavaria, C. the Rhineland, D. the Sudetenland. '25. What super destructive weapon was used on the cities of Hiroshima and Nagasaki, Japan, to end the war quickly? Was it A, Agent Orange, B, napalm gas, C, atomic bomb, or D, biological weapons? "26. From the list of countries below, which of these had the largest number of deaths during World War II? Was it A, Poland, B, Great Britain, C, Japan, or D, China?" "27. Which of these is the best reason why the United States had fewer deaths than Poland? A, the United States had a larger industrial output. B, Poland was a newer country and not as organized. C, fighting never occurred on the U.S. mainland. It did occur in Poland. Or D, the United States was an ally of Germany, therefore did not have to fight the Germans. 28. Which country had around 12 million deaths during World War II? Is it A, the Soviet Union, B, China, C, France, D, Great Britain? "29. How many Soviet civilians died during World War II? Was it A, 22 million, B, 11 million, C, 1 million, D, the chart does not specifically provide enough information to answer this question?